The next set of functions that I want to talk about is related to date, because we do a lot of manipulations using date in our applications or in our data. So I will talk about some of the date functions, but here I'll show you all the date functions, whatever date functions are available, but in the hands-on I'll show you only a few date functions. For example, we can extract is one of the very important date functions, and using extract we can actually find out a portion of the date. Let's say we can find out the day of week, day of year, epoch time if you have to find out epoch, which is important in some other use cases. We can extract the hour, minute, second, day, month, week, year, etc. And the data type has to be date. The data type cannot be string or anything else. So that's how we can use extract function. We can use these functions to find out the current date, current time, current timestamp, and these are needed in application programs a lot. Okay, and there are other date functions also, like adding a value, say plus interval 1 day or plus interval 2 hours minus interval 2 hours, to find out the absolute time. So let's say you want to find out what was the value of a particular column before 30 days. You have that column or you have that row in your table. So what does that mean? How do you find out the date which is 30 days before, because the date would keep on changing? So what you can do, you can use the current date as a function, and then you can mention current date minus interval 1 day or interval 30 days. So every time it will be dynamic. So on every date, it will find out the date which was 30 days before. So let me show you some hands-on activities. We'll be using the order date and delivery date because these are the date values that we have. But before that, let me show you the current time. So it will show me, if I use current time, it will show me the time right now. So it is 9:57. It is in UTC, by the way. And let's say I want to find out current date. It is showing me the current date, which is 30th of November 2024. I can also find out current timestamp. So these are for different data types. So this is a time data type, this is date data type, and this is the timestamp data type. But in our case, the orders table, I have only date data type. What I want to find out is mainly the order year of the order date. Maybe I want to find out all the orders that were placed in the year 2025 or 2024. So that's what I want to find out, and along with its price. So what will I do? Of course, I'll have to mention a where clause. But in the where clause, what will I do? I'll use that extract function, and I'll extract year from, I want to find out the order, right? So when the year of order was 2004, sorry, 2024. And these are the orders. As you can see, all of them have order date as 2024, right? So, and this is the function extract year. And just let me show you a few more things. So let's say I can extract other things also. I can also find out which day of the week it was using extract DOW from a particular date. And it says it was the third day. So 0 is Sunday, by the way. And 15th October 2025 is the fourth day, that is Thursday. Some are Saturdays, Fridays, some are Saturdays, so on and so forth. And you can actually use a case statement here. So let's say I mention case here. I mention when the value is 0, then Sunday. When the value is 7, or sorry, 6, then Saturday. Else just mention weekday, and I'll end the case statement and I'll mention day of delivery. Now it is showing, so these are all weekday. Here it is Saturday. These are weekday. We have a Sunday also. So you mix and match multiple different functions together. So this is extract. I have also shown you current day, current date, etc. Now let's say I want to find out what was the date that was 30 days back. So let's just select 30 days. Now I'm just using the current date, so that's why I do not have to mention any table name as such. So it says the before 30 days it was October, and let's say I can mention interval 30 hours, and it says it was 28/11 2024, and this was the hours. Because it is a date data type, what it does, it takes 24 hours, so that's why we are seeing 18 hours here. So this is how you can use various date functions also.